It sounds like you got a cam in it too. What? Yeah. That's totally.
What you doing the other day, bud?
I'm only out to get some stuff wet, but probably not.
That's a hawk, dude. It's not a buzzard. That's a hawk. There's a dead possum. Is that dead possum still over there?
Dude, you remember roadkill? Can't kill them, never won't die.
Well, wow. Yeah, you guys are like super muddy.
And it's black. So.
But they didn't move. James tied them down like ridiculously well. They didn't even move at all. Now all we need now is for it to stop raining. Hey man, why you so dressed up?
Cause we in the Arctic Circle.
Y'all killing me with these alarms, man. That's like the 6th time y'all done had these mugs go off.
But you forget about it.
I just pressed the lock button on the tape. I did not turn the alarm on.
Yeah, you got to press twice for the alarm, I think.
I'm sure somebody's gonna have a comment on the video about what better we could have did about this, but they didn't touch.
I mean, shoot. Look.
Other than I guess the bar, but that's why we put something there.
The bars are touching.
What?
Yeah. Hello.
Y'all damn sure got them on there. What's up?
Yeah.
They were talking bad about you.
They talking bad about him?
Yeah.
What's up, Reggie?
Brando, what's going on, man? Everything good?
Yeah.
But they talking about how I rode in the cold at 88 miles
and
in the rain and waiting. He came on the trailer.
Yeah.
At least your bike don't look as dirty as it was, Jared. You can clean the wheels yourself, right?
Yeah.
I guess that's what they charge you $300 for.
What? Yeah,
for the oil change and stuff. But
don't forget about my $16.
the $16 went to the washing the bike.
But you know how they change the oil in these things, though. They make sure they get the oil out the top of the cylinder.
At the top too.
Yeah, they pour fresh oil in there. Let that fresh oil get in the top of the cylinder. Then they drain that out and put more. Yeah, that's how they do it.
It's nice.
Well, they got the wrong shit.
Man.
Right.
Hey,
we gotta hear. I messed it up last video.
He was like, "We finna hear it."
What till you hear
the bike, the video.
I can kind of tell that it's gonna be something nice, you know.
I'm already, man. I want to say, man, that's why you was trying to do it, boy. She pull up on that boy anyway.
What the?
It sounds like you got a cam in it too. What? Yeah. That's two girls. That's two girls.
Boy, I was just dropping everything.
Oh,
they even got the nice little Indian accent down there. Jared doesn't say Indian.
Hey.
Excuse me.
I get that at what, 7? You're all right.
It's cold, man.
Yeah, it's cold, man.
cold.
I had to let it warm up.
Why is that still there?
No, put that on there when they work on it.
Yeah, just keep on close to that light.
Right.
on the
saying
kickstand now.
the kickstand. The kickstand. That's what I meant. My bad.
Go ahead. Is it neutral?
Oh, okay. No, it's not. So push the kickstand in, because that moving ball touch it.
I can pull the bike. Get it off of there over there. You ready?
There you go. That's what I'm trying to do. There you go.
Yeah, it was just a little too far over.
Yeah.
That front wheel literally like
From here?
yeah, it literally
all the way-
slid. Hey man, the more y'all let James ride these Indians,
I thought about that too.
you might get an idea.
Boy, he gonna get it.
The Vic might not be safe.
I remember one time he did that. That boy said, "Wah!" You remember that?
Yeah.
What, backfired?
Did
Yeah, that boy said, "Wah!" It was loud too.
You gotta be careful with Jerry's with that mud.
Oh, you ain't got to worry about slipping on my feet.
You say handles better with it up?
Yeah, it hung way better.
Now you see what I'm talking about? It feel like all the way down there, don't it?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
I thought I was the only one that felt that like that.
Smell punana.
Yeah. I mean, when that one was running, I smelled banana. I smelled man right here, like kahunas.
Smell.
I feel kahunas. I smell it. I hear it.